Hey, my positive vibers. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. It's the 5th day of Christmas. And guess what? Guess what? I am so excited. Like, my heart is full of joy. Do you get? I'm not just happy. I am joyful. Know the difference between joy and happiness, guys. I got my full monetization unlocked this morning. I want to appreciate God. I give God all the praise. I want to thank God for this beautiful milestone that I have unlocked or I have achieved. Okay, and I'm also super excited and I'm grateful. I appreciate all of you guys for the love. Thank you for your should I say commitment? Yes, because literally some of you have just been committed to me on this my YouTube journey. Like, you guys are there. You said, Chef Jamie, we're gonna watch you succeed. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you. I've not done anything to deserve it. I've not given you guys money. I don't have the money to give you. I don't even give you food from my kitchen. Do you understand? But yet, whenever I am live, you come to support me. You come and make sure that this my YouTube journey, monetization journey, or watch our hunting journey, it's like smooth. Okay, that was literally what some of you guys did here, and I want to tell you that I am super excited. And apart from the fact that you were supporting me to actually unlock this milestone, you were still giving me money. I can never be tired of saying thank you, because you don't get tired of gifting me, you don't get tired of supporting me. Thank you for the love shown to me towards some of the giftings. OMG. First, I don't understand. I'm going to be getting my first paycheck from YouTube on the 21st of December. And what I am saying, I'm about cashing out. I'll be like, whoa, could this be my first paycheck? Because I've watched several videos, of people that my first paycheck, and all the things that I kept seeing is nothing close to what I am about to cash out, guys. Thank you so much. I have not done anything. I keep saying this. I don't know what I have done to deserve all of you, to deserve the love from you, to deserve the support from you, to deserve this. The love is massive. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you're a YouTuber, you are watching me right now, all I want to tell you is, please do not give up, okay? And I pray this prayer all the time, and I keep telling people, since I got my first monetization, the entire story changed. What I kept telling people is, good to have subscribers, amazing, but I am telling you, I am praying for you that God is going to give you those people that are meant for you, okay? Those people that will actually lift you high. I call them destiny helpers. I don't play with them, okay? I know a lot of you that have started supporting me from the beginning. I've lost contact with some of you, people like Mr. Humble. I just pray that I get to hear from Mr. Humble, because it's like been months I've not heard from him. He has been so supportive from the onset. He has been praying for me. This man is on my life. So tell me, Jemima, I don't have money to give you, but I'm going to support you, and I pray that your YouTube channel is going to grow and support your family, and give you the life that you deserve. Mr. Humble has been there. I really appreciate you, and some of you, I'm grateful that we're still in touch. We are still connected. I am grateful to God for that. This is my prayer for you that has a YouTube channel, that God is going to use it as a source to bless you. He's going to give you real people. Don't go about looking for 1 million subscribers. Go about looking genuinely, prayerfully open your channel and trust God for people that will support you, people that will have you at heart. I believe some of you will be sleeping and literally be like, Chef Jerry is live. At times I'll come live late at night, at times very early in the morning, and you guys are there. Despite the time difference, I'll be like, what's the time? People like Rose Experience, my amazing sister Diona, she woke up one time 3 a.m. and was watching me. I was like, Diona, are you not supposed to be sleeping? And she now gifted me, guys. Thank you, Diona. I love you so much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all you're doing. And all of you YouTubers that are supporting me, people like Splendid, Superb, of course, Diona, Kali Rose Experience, just to mention but a few. Yeah, Sebuna TV, Ehira, Buki, a lot of you, sorry if I've not mentioned your name, but yeah, a lot of you that have been supporting me or that supported me, you know, and you guys are YouTubers. I pray that your YouTube channel is going to grow. I pray that God is going to bless you with genuine people, real people that are going to support you, that are going to be there for you guys. People that are not going to skip your ads. People that are not gonna what? Skip your ads. These are the kind of people I am praying that you get on your channel. It's amazing. I know we're gonna grow to thousands, hundreds of thousands, okay? And prayerfully, hopefully today on the 5th day of Christmas, I'm gonna unlock my 4K. I say 5K. Amen. I'm going to be unlocking my 4K subscriber milestone during the live stream by 5 p.m. I'm preparing this video hopefully by 3 p.m. and I'm gonna come live by 5 p.m. to unlock 4K subscriber milestone. I pray for each and every one of you that God will bless you with real people. For your support, God is going to support you, okay? Yeah, for gifting me, God is going to give you. You will never lack. You always be in abundance, okay? Yeah, because givers do not lack. So I appreciate you. Thank you. You're a YouTuber and you keep supporting me, knowing fully that, oh, Chef Jamie needs that watch time. Chef Jamie doesn't have the watch time yet, you know, and you watch my video from the beginning to the end. Thank you guys. Thank you. Most of you, a lot of you, someone like Emmanuel, an amazing guy. I don't know what I have done to deserve Emmanuel in this world. Emmanuel supported me on Facebook. Emmanuel came to YouTube and he supported me. I say, Emmanuel, what? I don't know Emmanuel from anywhere. Okay, yes, we're in the same Nigeria. Okay, but I do not know him from anywhere. Emmanuel was just a blessing from above. That is, oh guys, I can get emotional over and over talking about a lot of you. And for my mothers that God has blessed me with on this platform, guys, I have enough mothers. Do not try me, okay? People like Mama Carol, you know, Mommy Samira, people like my bestie Sharon. You guys have been nothing but amazing. Stephen and a lot of you. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for pampering this your girl, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I don't take all your love for granted. All of you, some of you are grandmothers to me. Yes, you have double my age. You have double my age, yet you do not relent when it comes to supporting me. And I pray for each and every one of you that God will keep you in health. For Marigold to Marigold, I hope you get to watch this video because I love you so much. I thank you for your support. You know, you've been there for me. You've been watching my video. I see you guys. And you know, at times I'll be like, even me, I should be tired by now. Do you get? Sorry, I'm getting emotional, but yes, you know, I do tell myself that I'll be like even I'm the one watching me. Do you get? I should be tired by now. Like days when I was it making cake? Someone like Superb. I don't even know what I've done to deserve Superb too. Do you get? That day that I was making cake, I can remember because like that was like one of the highest duration or times I've stayed on live. Yeah. But guys, guess what? Mommy Samira was there, Superb was there, they were supporting me. Should I talk about Mom Carol? Mom Carol, that I'm not sure she used to actually use her eyes to see what she gives. She only uses her heart to gift me and my family. She doesn't look at it with her eyes. She doesn't look at it with her eyes, but her heart, you know, whatever she wished to, that's what she just gifts. So thank you guys. Sharon is simply amazing. Sharon is in the hospital, you know, having health challenges. We keep praying for her and we're trusting God for nothing but the best for Sharon. But guess what? Sharon will still be thinking about us. Sharon, I can remember that day. I hope you get to watch this video though. I remember that day that, you know, there was a little misunderstanding. Of course, yes, you're dealing with humans, so misunderstandings up, left, right, and center is bound to, you know, happen. And I was live. Immediately, Sharon was watching me. Sharon knows that I need the watch time, so she's always watching me. Sharon is in Australia, okay, but she doesn't, whatever the time is, Sharon is going to watch me, support me, make comments, gift me. Sharon is in the hospital. We're trusting God for a successful surgery, guys, but she's still sending us money. How? I don't know, but yeah, God will bless you. all your heart, whatever it is that you are doing, I might not be able to pay you. Yes, I do not have. What am I even going to give you? You know, I wish I'm even around you, that I can cook for you guys. Whatever it is that you guys want, I cook for you, I bake for you, I work for you, clean the house for you. But you know, we are so far, I can't even do that. But I truly appreciate you. I truly appreciate you. So guys, in conclusion to this video, all I want to tell you is, whatever you are doing, please be genuine. Be genuine, okay? Whatever you are doing, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can do it. Seek the face of God. I remember the day that the Holy Spirit told me, the same thing you did on YouTube and got on Facebook and got rejected, come to YouTube, do it. Do your live streaming, you know. And I was like, how am I even going to? I didn't know where I got strength from being rejected on Facebook after like 30 days of going live twice a day. You know, I got rejected and I felt so bad. I was heavy. There was nothing, you know. I felt like, what it means, you've worked so hard. I did 30 days back to back. I was given twice a day, 60 videos. I was sick, you know, and when God told me, come back to YouTube and do the same thing, at first I was like, whoa, can I even do this? But God strengthened me, because I don't even know where I got that strength from, to come back, to come to YouTube and do all those live streamings, posting of videos. I don't even know where I got all that from, you know, but I am grateful to God that I actually obeyed God. I did that. Someone was telling me, no, don't say that. You are just hard working. That I am not. It's not hard work. If there's hard work, then I would have been a millionaire on Facebook by now, because that was what hard work was. You know, I didn't pray about it, nothing. I just went head high. Facebook, I was just, do you get? So don't even come to my comments and say, don't talk about God, or don't say God did this. Just say, no, don't say that, because you don't know my journey, okay? I am the one that, no, I can picture the day that the revelation I got and everything to start this YouTube. And that's why I am deliberate. All the people I meet here, you know, I'm deliberate about my relationship with you guys, because I know it's God ordained, not ordained by any man. Facebook, I can say it's men ordination. I don't know. But yeah, this YouTube has just been ordained by God. I am grateful to you guys. I appreciate you. I'm praying for each and every one of you that your channel will be successful, okay? Whatever it is that you're doing, God is going to breathe life into it. You're going to be successful. I am going to, and I promise you, I'm going to be part of your success journey, because I will support you guys. I will support you in the best way that I can. Most of you were connected on WhatsApp, and whenever you ask me a question, I'm always there. You don't know maybe the reason why I am always eager. You know, my husband used to say unsolicited advice, but I'm always eager to advise, you know, because I want to see you guys get better. I don't want you guys to go through what I went through, because it's useless if you will still go through what I went through and you know me, then knowing me is actually useless. Yeah, because I've been through it. So I think I should be able to advise you through. I should be able to tell you what to do, what not to do, how to succeed, what I did that helped me and all. So yeah. But I'd like you to know that YouTube channel, like YouTube algorithm, is peculiar to persons, okay? Don't say, since live stream worked for Chef Jemmy, I'm also going to go all out, go live and all. No, it might not work for you, okay? But look for what works for you prayerfully and do it. Whatever works for you, please go all out for it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. So congratulations is another. Oh yeah, send me the dollars, okay? You guys, do not skip my ads. What did I say? If you skip my ads, see, I have changed my face. Anybody that see my video, you skip my ads, you're gonna see me in your dreams. Do not skip my ads. I want to see earnings from non-skippable ads, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I love you, the Positive Vibes community, and all of you that it's been long I've heard from you guys. Please show good news day. Oh yeah, see you by 5 p.m. Bye guys.